Wine species. The first we start with fissures, right?
Yes.
So this one,
These are the coronal fissures.
coronal fissures. Okay.
Present on anterior part of the brain.
Okay.
This is anterior part. This is posterior part. So this is present on the anterior part of the brain, coronal fissures.
Right.
And this is cruciate fissure.
Cruciate fissures, right?
Cruciate fissure.
This
it,
one.
It can be seen in this more clearly. This one is cruciate fissure.
Okay. Cruciate. Something
Cruciate.
V shape, na? Cruciate,
Somewhat
right?
V-shaped and transverse
Ah,
line is there.
okay. Cruciate. Then
the next fissure is great longitudinal fissure.
great longitudinal
Present
fissure.
between
Two cerebral hemisphere.
hemispheres.
Yeah.
And this one is transverse fissure.
Transverse fissure between
Which separate-
cerebral and cerebellum.
Which separates cerebral
Hemisphere and
from
cerebellum.
hemisphere.
Right?
Okay.
The next fissure,
The
sylvian.
next fissure is sylvian fissure. This is sylvian fissure. Dorsolateral aspect of this is present on dorsolateral aspect. This one is
Sylvian fissure.
Sylvian
right?
fissure.
Sylvian fissure. One
This
more
comes
fissure
from
on.
the ventral side of the brain. This is rhinal fissure.
Okay. This is more clear in this
This
specimen.
is more clear in this specimen. This is rhinal fissure.
Rhinal fissure. Okay.
Rhinal fissure, the longitudinal one.
Okay.
Okay.
Next. Okay. This is the sagittal part of
The
brain. Sagittal section.
Section of the brain.
Here we see
Here
two more
we see
fissures.
Two more fissures. This is callosal fissure.
Okay.
Just above the callosum, this is callosal fissure, and just above the callosal fissure, this is callosal marginal fissure.
So this
Callosal-
one is callosal fissure.
This is callosal
and
fissure.
this is
Callosal marginal fissure.
callosal marginal fissure. Okay. Okay.
These are the 6 fissures only. The gyrus present between callosal fissure and the callosal marginal fissure is gyrus
Fornicatus.
Fornicatus.
Gyrus fornicatus. Right. So this is the durameter.
Actually, this
right?
is durameter. When we see this durameter inside, it has two folds. The longitudinal fold that will come
fit between
here,
two cerebral hemisphere.
cerebral hemisphere is called
Flex cerebri.
flex cerebri.
Flex cerebri, right?
Flex cerebri. and
Between two cerebral hemisphere fit in. And one which fit between cerebrum and cerebellum is
is tentorium cerebri.
tentorium cerebelli, right?
Tentorium cerebri.
Tentorium
That
cerebelli.
fits into transverse fissure.
Okay.
And this one is fox cerebri will fit into longitudinal fissure of the brain.
Okay. Now if we turn brain into
This is the ventral side of the brain.
okay.
Let's see the part of the ventral side of the brain. These are olfactory bulbs.
On the anterior side.
On the
two
anterior,
olfactory bulbs.
anterior side of the brain is olfactory bulbs.
Okay.
This is medial stria and this is lateral stria.
Medial stria, right? And lateral stria. Lateral
Lateral
stria.
stria is somewhat bigger than medial stria.
This is rhinal fissure, na? Medial stria.
This is stria means boundary type.
Okay, boundary.
Can be formed by rhinal
Lateral stria, right?
This is lateral stria.
Lateral
This is medial
stria.
stria.
Medial stria.
Triangular part.
And it forms a triangular part that is called triangle. This is called
Behind this olfactory bulb, right? This trigonal part is
triangular
known as
part is known as
trigonal olfactorium.
olfactorium.
Okay, trigonal olfactorium. Okay.
Next come to further. Further these are pyriform lobe.
Yeah. Pyriform shaped, so pyriform lobe.
Pyriform shape. Okay. These are cerebral peduncles.
Cerebral peduncle, one pair, right? Cerebral peduncle. And above the cerebral peduncle,
Above the
there is
cerebral peduncle,
somewhere
there is optic
X-shaped.
chiasma.
Yeah.
X-shaped
Except the
chiasma will
optic chiasma, this crossing somewhat, right?
Here it is not present.
Okay.
And the later part is pons.
Behind the cerebral peduncle, right?
Behind the cerebral peduncle, it is pons.
And behind pons is obviously
pons,
medulla. Medulla oblongata.
And on the dorsal side, it is cerebellum.
Yeah, cerebellum. Cerebellum has three parts. The middle part is known as vermis, right?
Vermis. And the
Vermis.
lateral
Separate hemispheres.
cerebral hemisphere.
Cerebral
Lateral
hemisphere
cerebral hemispheres.
and vermis, okay?
And vermis.
If we, right, you can see here the part of
Corpora quadrigemina.
Corpora quadrigemina 4, right?
Anterior
Posterior
Anterior colliculi and posterior colliculi.
Yeah. And you can
this is,
see
pineal gland.
yeah, pineal body, pineal gland,
Just
right?
above the
Thalamus, epithalamus.
just above the epithalamus.
Not
Anterior
Just above the anterior
Superior
colliculi of superior colliculi
there
of
is a-
Corpora quadrigemina, there is pineal gland,
pineal
right?
gland is present.
Yeah.
This is the sagittal section of the brain.
Okay.
This is as told earlier. This is coronal. Sorry.
This is callosal fissure, right?
This is beneath the callosal fissure. This is corpus callosum,
Corpus callosum, two parts.
which connect the hemisphere of the brain.
Two cerebral hemispheres.
Okay. And the anterior part of the corpus callosum is genu,
Genu.
and the posterior part of the corpus callosum is splenium.
Okay. So anterior part.
Splenium and genu.
This
Genu
is
and
which part?
splenium.
Anterior or posterior? This is
Anterior
anterior part. So anterior part of corpus callosum, genu. Posterior part of corpus callosum, splenium. Splenium. Right. Okay. Next.
The further elongation of this is fornix.
Fornix.
This is fornix.
Okay.
And this form lateral ventricle.
Lateral ventricle, right?
Okay. This is lateral ventricle.
And we can see some things in lateral ventricle, right?
Here is the presence of hippocampus.
Okay. Somewhat posterior side there is hippocampus present. Yeah.
Tuft of capillary is also present.
Yeah, some tuft of capillary present in this
Also
ventricle
present in
which
this,
secrete
which secrete
CSF,
CSF.
right? If you deep open it, somewhat you can see it.
And the connection of lateral ventricle to the third ventricle is a foramen of Monro.
Foramen
It can be
Monro,
present
okay?
here.
So foramen Monro connect lateral and third ventricle.
It can be seen here like this.
Okay.
And this is third ventricle above the thalamus.
Okay.
Surrounding the thalamus.
Above
is
the, so this is thalamus, right?
this is thalamus.
This is
And
thalamus,
surrounding the thalamus is third ventricle.
third ventricle.
Okay. It will connect to the fourth ventricle later
Okay.
by a cerebral aqueduct.
Some parts are visual.
A
This is
Sylvian
specific.
aqueduct.
Cerebral aqueduct. Okay. Third to fourth.
Sylvian aqueduct or
Third to fourth ventricle, right?
yes, or Sylvian aqueduct.
Okay, Sylvian duct of
Which
Sylvian.
connect the third ventricle to fourth ventricle.
Okay.
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 This is the sagittal section of the
Cerebellum,
cerebellum.
right? We
Okay.
can see the most characteristic feature, this arbor vitae,
This is arbor vitae.
Right, tree-like structure.
Tree-shaped arrangement of this arbor vitae.
Okay,
And
next.
the space present between this is fourth ventricle actually.
Yeah,
This is
fourth ventricle.
Okay.
Connected
And this is a medulla.
Yeah, medulla
Medulla
oblongata,
and the continuation is spinal cord.
spinal cord.
Medulla and spinal cord. नहीं नहीं